So, this is actually the continuation of your month, year, date section. In this particular module, you'll be seeing about the text function alone. So, this text function is like one of the most important functions in Excel because it helps you to get your data easily. Like when you're handling with lots of dates, it'll be much more helpful for you. Now, let us say the first question is I want to find today's date. I want to have my today's date in this format. Instead of like this format, I just wanted to have it in the day, month, and year format in numbers with a slash in between. Okay. So, what function will be helpful for you is the text function, which is equal to text of. So if you see the syntax, the first thing what you have to give is the value, and then the what is the format you wanted to have it. So that is the syntax here. So the value which I wanted to give is I wanted to give today's date. So I'm just going to give today. So obviously today's function will give you or return you the today's date here. So today of the format text which I wanted. So within the quotes, date, which is dd slash month slash year. I want only the last two values of the year. So year of within the quotes, just give enter. So you could see I have received the today's date here. Now let us move on. If I wanted to find today's day, which day it is, whether it's a Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, if I wanted to find it out, I'm going to use equal to text of. Okay, equal to text of. I'm going to give the value here again. So today's value alone, I'm going to use it. So today of the format text which you wanted. I want only the day here. So within the quotes, you're going to give four D's. DDD, close the bracket, just give enter. Today is a Sunday. So you'll get the values here. Now let us say my date, you can just type it. So I wanted the day of a particular day. Let us say I wanted to find today is 17. So let us say that I wanted to find the day of 11. Okay. So 11 March, I wanted to find it out. So obviously it will be Monday. So I wanted to find the day of 11 March 2022. So what I'm going to give is I'm going to give equal to text function of, okay, text function of the value which I'm going to need it is this value. So I'm going to select this cell. So 11, this cell, comma, the format text is I wanted only the day of the particular thing. So DDD, so close your bracket. So I have to get Monday. So this is how you get the day of a particular date. Okay. So next thing is I wanted to find the month of today's date. Okay. So I'm going to give equal to, I'm going to give equal to text function of the value is, since today's value, I'm just giving today of format text is I need the month. So within the quotes, I'm going to give 4 a.m. Just close your bracket. Just give enter. So you could see I'm getting March here. So let us say I'm having another date. Next month, let us take a value. 1st of April. Okay. 1st of April 2024. I'm just giving it. So 1 April 2024 it has taken. Now I wanted the month. So I'm just teaching you what are the possibilities this formula, particular formula can be used. It has like a wide range of uses. So text function of value. So this is going to be my value, comma. The format text which I wanted is I wanted only the month. Just close the quotes, just give enter. So you could see you're receiving the month. So this is how this possibility works. Next, if I wanted to find today's year, So I'm going to give what equal to text of then today, comma, the format text is year. So I want the full year. I don't want the last two values alone. So I'm just going to give 4 just close it, just give enter. Okay, so this is how the year function for year. If you wanted to find the year, it works it out. Let us say I wanted to find the value of 15 March May 2025 or 2015. Let me put it. So I wanted to find the year of it. So it is in the text of. So I'm going to select my value, comma. The format text is going to be year. Just give enter. So you'll be getting the year's value here fully. So if you wanted to have the same thing, we can see. If I wanted to have only the last two values, I'm just going to give text of this value cell, comma, the to just give enter. So you'll be getting only the last two values of a particular year. Now, let us say I wanted to find the current time. Okay, so for current time, date and time, we have the formula called now formula. But now I wanted to have it in this format. Okay, I wanted to find display the hours, number of hours, then number of minutes, and it should denote me either it is like PM or AM of the current time it should display me. So this also you can find it using the function called text. Okay, so I'm going to give equal to text of. Okay, so the value is going to be today only because today's value only we are going to give it. So always remember, so if you have not seen the today's session, go and see it, because there only we will be finding the difference between today and now. Okay, so always remember today's function we'll be using to calculate only the date, to find the date. Now's function is used to find the date as well as the time of it. So here we'll be using now function, now of, comma, the format text which I wanted. So I wanted it in the format of hours as to month, hour, hours, minutes, and AM or PM it should display me. Okay, so now close the quotes. So I'm giving a space here, hours, minutes, then I'm giving a space AM or PM, it should display me. Now close the quotes, just give enter. So you could see it is displaying 11:21 AM. So if it is PM, it is obviously it will display PM. Now let us say I wanted it to display in, I also needed the number of seconds. Okay, so it is the same formula you're going to use it. Text of the value which is going to display here is text of I want today's time. So now, comma, the format text which I'm going to give is within the quotes, hours, minutes, then seconds. Yes, yes, I'm giving here. Okay, so seconds, space, AM slash PM. So whichever it is, it automatically takes into consideration. Just give enter. So you could see we are getting the seconds also. If I'm just going to, let us say, refresh it here, I'm just going to give it obviously works. So just double click it and you could see the number of seconds has changed. Again, I'm double clicking it and just give enter. Again, the number of seconds has changed. So this is how your text function, if you wanted to find the current time with a particular format, it works. Now, okay, now let us move on to the next question. So in this question, we have a particular date, let us say 29/2/2022, and I don't want it in this format. Okay, I don't want it in numbers. I wanted to have it in the format of 29 February 2024. I need it in this format. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give equal to text function of, I'm going to give my value here. So this is going to be, this cell is going to be my value. I wanted to change it. Now within the quotes, I'm giving DD, which means like I need a number as such 29, and the month should be in the format of like wordings. So if it is 2 means I want it as February. So I'm just going to give 4M space, and I want the year fully 2024 fully itself. I want it, just close the bracket, just give enter. So you could see here you are getting the value as 29 February 2024. So this is how uh, this text function works when you even wanted to change it. So if I'm giving it, let us say 9, which is September, you have to receive. So obviously the value here also changes. Now the percentage. So obviously there is a shortcut. Let us say if I wanted a percentage of 0.06, you have place where in home itself, if you go, if you click the particular cell, and if you go to home and if you give it, it converts into percentage. But this text function also has a provision where if you wanted to convert a particular number into a percentage, so I'll tell you the possibility equal to text of, okay, equal to text of the value. So here always you have to remember the percentage is nothing but multiply by 100. So here I'm going to give 0.785. Okay, 0.785. And if I want this 0.785 in terms of percentage, what I'm going to give is point 0. Okay, 0.3 or point 0 percentage. So it should display like this format. Now close it. Just give enter. So you could see you're getting the values of in percentage terms. So the next thing what we are going to see is I wanted this particular date 11 March 2024 in the format of month, day and year. That is, it should display me as 11th or March 11 2024. It should display me. Okay, so what we can do is I'm going to give equal to text of, okay, equal to text of my value, comma, the format text which I'm going to give, which is month, okay, month. Then it should display me the date, okay, which I wanted. DT I'm giving, then comma, year I wanted it. Just close the bracket, just give enter. You can see March 11 2024. If you want, I'll just again click it. You can see the cell you're going to select it. The month I wanted it in the full form, then day I wanted, then the year I wanted. So this is how your text function works, and it's a much more, very much more useful function. Okay, so thank you all.